Good morning, Mr. Kabir. Sir, I'm up here. I'm not on the floor. Up more. Look at me. You're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews of the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer be appointed to represent you, sir.
On July 4th at 3:49 a.m., officers observed a vehicle in a moving lane of traffic sitting idle with damage to the front passenger tire. The defendant was sitting in the driver's seat, slumped over in asleep. Officers woke the defendant and he exited the vehicle. He had red, bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and unsteady balance. Standard field sobriety test was conducted, and a 6 of 6 on the HGN, 4 of 8 on the walk and turn, and 0 of 4 on the one leg stand. The defendant refused a breath sample, and blood warrant was obtained, and a blood sample was taken.
Are you on something now, Mr. Kabir?
No, Your Honor. I'm not.
How old are you, sir?
26.
What do you do for a living?
I'm the owner of a healthcare consulting firm.
Are we able to go send someone now, Tracy?
No.
Mr. Kabir, if you have a drug or alcohol problem, you better address it. Because if you don't, and I see it becomes an issue, I'm going to address it for you. I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor. May I?
Just don't. The only thing I want to impart to you that the drugs and alcohol stop now. I'm making it a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or any illegal drugs. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. If it becomes a repeated issue, I will put you in a rehab facility. I don't want to have to do that. My only concern is public safety. Do not drive if you don't have a license, and don't consume anything. For a DWI now?
No.
What's the status of that DWI? Do you have an open DWI right now?
No.
Okay. I'm now going to put a condition on your bond that you're not allowed to be out past 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. I'm going to put a GPS monitor on you so I know that you're not out in the middle of the night. Unfortunately, because of the hurricane, we're not allowed to have people tested right now and I think that you're on something now, Mr. Kabir.
I have bipolar and schizoaffective disorder. I have bipolar and...
Then alcohol is not helping the issue, Mr. Kabir. It's only going to exacerbate anything. No more. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, I'm not on any substances. I take multiple medications for my mental health issues, but I'm not on any unlawful or illegal substances. I'm only on prescribed medications.
Okay. No more alcohol. Do you understand?
Yes.
No smoking marijuana. If I test you for marijuana, are you going to test positive? Okay. Don't. So GPS with a 9 p.m. curfew for now until we know that he's not out and about in the middle of the night. I'm going to have you now go to the jury. We're going to have you sign a reset. After that, I will have you take your seat in the jury box, and then we'll be back with you shortly, Mr. Kabir. Do you understand?
I wasn't looking to walk out whatsoever.
Okay. So tell me, you said you own a business. What do you do exactly?
We help treatment centers, or we specialize in bringing in new patients into healthcare treatment centers, specifically alcohol and opioid addiction treatment centers.
You have a monthly income from this.
Yes, Your Honor.
How much money do you make a month?
Well, right now the business is still in a growth stage, so we revenue, but I don't take personal income. I take a small amount of personal income, so you can say $2,000 to $3,000 per month as of current.
Where do you live?
In my parents' house.
Yet you drive a BMW.
Yes, Your Honor. The revenues of the business are...
So you need a lawyer to represent you, and quick. So we're going to let you go today. And I'm telling you, no alcohol.
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
have an interlock that you're gonna, within 3 days, you must get an interlock on your car. If I find that you have not put an interlock on your car, I'm going to put you in jail. And I'm gonna tell you, with 2 open DWIs, I usually put bonds at around 25,000 in that time. So beware, you're skirting extremely thin ice at this point. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor, I will contact the interlock immediately. I have the information for it, but I don't know exactly the date that they'll be able to install it.
You must get it done within 3 days.
What if the company is not available to do it within those 3 days?
Well, then come back and let us know. Okay, but I'm not gonna entertain any excuses. You also need a lawyer to represent you. So get on that as well. As soon as you leave here, start researching that as well.
What we're seeing here is more than just a courtroom formality. It's a turning point in someone's life. The judge is basically saying, you have one last chance. Take it or lose everything. And honestly, it's hard not to feel both frustrated and sympathetic. On one hand, his choices are reckless and dangerous. On the other, he's a young man battling mental health and addiction. This is what makes real courtroom moments so raw. They show the human cost of bad decisions colliding with the law.